Today we woke up in, what's this town called?
I'm not sure. Penrith?
Penrith? Penrith, something like that. In a little neighborhood.
A little park.
A little park, yeah. Again, the bathroom situation was non-existent, so that was kind of rough. Alright, so our car has 3 different setups. Driving mode, which is what we're doing now. Then there's living room, where you put the front seats forward and the back seats can recline a little bit and you can hang out and there's a lot of space there. Or the bed mode, and then it's just a bed. There's not a lot of space. So last night we decided to put it in the living room and watch a movie. And then we decided we'll just go to sleep like that. How did you feel about it?
It was the dumbest idea that we've ever had.
It was not good. It was very hard to sleep. It's like sleeping in a car seat. Now we're just gonna go to the library.
Which have been our best friends in this trip. I really feel like if you're trying to do this, the best advice I would have, you gotta get connected with the library. Because they got no judgment zone. You come in looking a mess and you just charge all your devices and they know. They're like, all right. City of Blue Mountains.
Oh, I just turned the camera over.
Oh, you saw it. I saw it. It's okay.
That's okay. Your face looks better anyways.
There's Gateway to Blue Mountains.
Yeah, that's what that said. Even though you couldn't read it. Okay, so we just left the town. Penrith. Yeah, we would recommend Penrith to anybody coming to the Blue Mountains from Sydney. Stop over. Take some time.
We haven't showered in 4 days. And I cannot wait to wash my clothes.
Yeah, so we've been in the car for about 4 days, sleeping in the car about 4 nights. Should only take an hour to get to the campsite we want to get to, free camping. It's a little chilly.
Our first real stop in the Blue Mountains. Wow.
Describe to me what you're seeing.
Like a cliff, rock face, just slate of cliff.
Okay, yeah. So we just came like around this corner, down this little footpath, and we're like, where are we? We walked in, and then all of a sudden it's like, boom.
Wow. What? Is this real life? This is our life.
This is our life. We just decided to roll up here.
Yeah. Here we have a native Kevin in his happy place.
Yellow.
Hello.
Just gonna make some hot chocolate.
Aww.
For my bag.
Oh, things are boiling.
It's boiling? Things are boiling.
So we got the car and we're out in this beautiful Blue Mountain camping range.
Sometimes I know.